Greetings everyone and welcome to another tutorial on my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a piano tutorial for the song Uyama Nomuntu by Spirit of Praise 11 featuring Nontokozo Mkize. So the song basically has two parts. I'll show you both the parts. Yes, there are multiple verses, but then like the first verse is played a certain way, and then from verse 2 to 4 and onwards, I don't know how many verses in total, it's played the second way. So the first part goes like this. So pretty much so let's look at it, right? So what am I playing here? So it's right? So starting off with a 4 chord, left hand's doing a 4-1-4, right hand's doing a 5-6-1-4, or you can do a 4-1-5 in your left hand, the right hand a 6-1-5, or you can do a 4-1-4 and a 6-1-4. All up to you. You can do it all. It's all up to you, right? You go to a 1 chord now. Left hand's doing a 1 octave, while right hand's doing a 3-5-1-3. Now we're doing a 5 chord, right? So left hand's doing a 7-2, right hand's doing a 5-6-2, but you can't do it this way where left hand's doing a 7-5-7. Then right hand's doing a 2-5-6-2, right? Then so next chord is a 6, so left hand's doing a 6 chord. You can choose to just do a 6 octave, or you can embellish it more with the 3 and the 5, making it a 6-3-5-6. Then right hand playing a just a normal 3-6-1 or 3-6-1 in the first inversion, or you can just add that 7 to it and the 5. So your right hand could be playing a 7-1-3-5-6. Right? It's very nice and full, that chord. Just a lot of notes you're playing there. Then we repeat again. 4, 5, then back to a 1. So that's pretty much that first part. So it's a 4, 1, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 1. Right? Then repeat, rinse and repeats. So something which you can also do is play after you go to a 5, before you go to a 6, you can play the passing 3 chord. This is a augmented chord, right? That's not diminished. Is it augmented? Looks augmented. 1, 2, 3. Is it 1, 2, 3? 1, 2. I think it's augmented. I can't recall. It's just a very nice chord. So left hand's gonna be playing a 3-1-3, right hand's going to be playing a 6 flat 1-2-5. Right, then 6. Then something which I like doing before going back to the 4 chord is playing this chord over here in this context here. So left hand's playing a 1-7 flat, right hand's playing a 3-5-6, so it's actually a 3-6-2, but you're tracing the 5 into the 6, right? So Now let's look at the next part over there, right? So the next part goes it's the progression is like a bit different here. So Uyama. So let's break all that down a bit, right? So it's Uyama. Alright, so we're starting off on the 1 at Uyama, right? Uyama, Wangi Twala, it's a 4, so left hand is doing a 4 octave, right hand is doing a 6, 1, 4, 6. Then I'm doing a walk up here. You can do the walk down. I'm choosing to do the walk up. So left hand starting on a 6, right hand's playing a 1, 3, 6. Left hand's going to a 5, right hand's going to a 2, 5, 7. Left hand's going to a 5 flat, right hand's going to a 3, 6, 1. No, 3, 5, 6, 1. Sorry. 5 chord next, left hand's doing a 5, right hand's doing a 7, 2, 5, 1, or then next left hand's doing a 6, 1, right hand's doing a 4, 5, 1. So I'm just doing a 6, 7, 1 walk up. Left hand's now on a 7, 2, right hand's on a 5, 6, 2. Left hand's now on a 1, right hand's on a 3, 5, 1, 3. So okay, I can't recall what this, but it's that part over there. We're starting off with a suspended 1 chord over 5. So left hand's doing a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 1, 4, 5, 1. 1. Left hand's doing a 1, 5. Right hand's doing a 1, 2, 3, 5. Or you can do we can do this over here. So left hand's doing a 1, 5, 1. Right hand's doing a 3, 5, 7, 2, 3. And you're going to play this for your 1 chord. Right. Over here, for your 2 chord, we're going to be playing a 2, 1, 2 in your left hand. 4, 7 flat. 1, 2, 3, 4 on your right hand. Now left hand's doing a 3, 1, 3, right hand's doing a 5, 1, 2, 5. Left hand's doing a 4, 1, 4, right hand's doing a 6, 1, 3, 6. But I can add the 5. But you don't need the 5. 6, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. Right? Then the last parts are right, so 2, 3, 4, 5 up so left hand's doing a 2, 1, 2, right hand's doing a 4, 6, 1, 4. Left hand's doing a 3, 1, 3, right hand's doing a 5, 1, 3. Left hand's doing a 4, 1, 2, right hand's doing a 4, 6, 2. Left hand's doing a 5, 1, right hand's doing a 3, 5, 1. Left hand's now doing a 2, 1, then right hand's going to a 5 flat, 7, 3, but we're gracing the 7 flats into the 7. Now left hand's doing a 5, 1 again. Right hand's doing a 4, 6, 2. left hand's then doing a 1, sorry, a 5 octave, right hand's doing a 1, 4, 5, 1. Then resolving to a 1. So let's look at that again. Da, 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 da. Yeah, hopefully you guys learned something here. Hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. I'll try and do more tutorials more frequently, often. And also I want you guys to just if you've reached this far in the video, it shows that you're actually one of the people who actually truly watch all my videos to the end. And this request is actually for you guys. So I wanted to know whether you guys would be interested in me doing actual live streaming, you know, even if it's just like for 30 minutes in a day. You guys hop on and you can, you know, just learn something. You can ask whatever questions you want. If I can, I'll answer. I can show you guys how I go about, you know, learning new songs, you know, that songs that actually you haven't even heard. Like literally you can be in the stream and you pop a link to a song. I'll literally open the song in the stream, but likely though that the stream won't be monetized, but it's cool. I'm literally doing it for you guys. And I can show you guys how I go about breaking down the songs. That's honestly as up to you guys. So for you guys to actually make it this far in the video, pop a comment in and let me know if you're interested. And if it's the case that you guys are interested, I'll try looking at slots maybe around 5 p.m. 4 to 5. If that's too early for you guys, we're gonna maybe look at a time maybe around 8 or 9. Because I'm usually streaming on my gaming channel at around those times though, but I'll honestly just see. I can probably just switch it out and hop onto the piano stream 1 of 2 days a week. But I'll wait to hear from you guys. But till then, stay blessed, guys.